Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So previous class we have discussed about the sun, moon and star, and I have given the one small activity also to draw the sun, moon and star in your notebook. So children, let me revise whatever we finished in the previous class, then I will continue the lesson. Now tell me, in the daytime which things you can see in the sky? In the daytime, what you can see in the sky? Yes, you can see sun. Yeah, no children. In the night, yes, in the night you can see the numbers of stars, and then moon. Very good. So what does sun give us? What does sun gives us? Yes, it gives us light and heat. Which clouds bring the rain? Which clouds bring the rain? Yes, black clouds bring the rain. So clouds have the colors. If in the daytime you can see the clouds looks white and sky blue color. Yeah, no children. In the night you can see the same clouds became the black because it is a night. And when it's supposed to rain, then you can see the clouds became the very black in the daytime only. That means what? Now we get the rain. So I have shown the some images also children about the clouds and the daytime. In the night also, what are the things we can see in the sky? So in the sky there is a numbers of things are there. Solar systems, comets, asteroids, sun, moon. So numbers of things we can see in the sky. Clear children? Why we cannot see the stars in the daytime? Tell me children, why we cannot see stars in the daytime? Because the bright light of the sun. The sun have the very bright light. So because of that bright light, we cannot see the stars in the daytime. Sun is what? It's a star? Yes. Sun is also a star. But this sun star have the very bright light compared to other stars. So this star is called the sun. Sun is what? Sun is a huge ball of fire. When you see the sun, the color is, it is a orange and yellowish color. That means what? It is a hot burning. It is a hot ball of fire. You know children? So these are all the things we have discussed in the previous class. So today's class we will see children, if there is a cloudy, if there is a rainy, what are the things you will do in the home? So without the sun, there is a no life on the earth. So sun is very important for all the living things. It gives the energy for all the living things. So we say sun is very important for all living things. There will be life because of sun only. If there is a no sun, there will be no life on the earth. Nothing will grow. If there is a nothing will grow means we won't get the oxygen, we won't get the food only. So all living things it's depend on the sun. Clear children? So you can see in the monsoon time, in the cloudy times you can see when the clouds are dark, when the day becomes very cloudy, it's a very cool. What you feel? You feel to sit in home only. You won't go anywhere. So what are the things you will do in the homes when you sit inside of the home only? If outside it is a monsoon, if it is outside it's a rainy. What you will do children? Tell me. Yes, you will watch the cartoons. Then again what you will do? Yes, you will do the drawing. Otherwise you will play the games with your family member or with your brother and sisters. Otherwise, you will dance. You will on the music and you will dance with your friends. Correct, no? Yes. So, these all the things you will do when it's outside raining. If it is a sunny day, if it is not raining, it is summer, then what you will do? You will go outside in the ground, you will go to the park and you will play with your friends. Yes or no? Yes. So that is the difference between the, if it is raining, we will sit in the home. If it is a sunny, we will go outside to play. If it is too much cold, what you will do? You will sleep only. You will go to your bedroom, you will take one blanket and you will sleep aramse. Yes or no? For 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock or maybe by the evening also. Till the evening you will sleep only because the day, the atmosphere, the climate is very cool. Yeah, the children. So here I will show you the one image just to see what are the things you can see in the sky if you are standing outside from the home. You can see here when you stand outside or when you stand on the terrace, you can see the numbers of stars are twinkling in the sky. You know? And in that sky you will see that which star is giving the very bright shine. Can you count the stars? Tell me, children. Can you count these all the stars? No. You cannot count this all the stars because it is not a one or two. It's a million and billion stars are there in the sky. You know, children? Is it in that image all stars are twinkling? Yes, you can see the all stars are twinkling in the sky. You know, children? It is dark and in the dark you can see these white beads. How it looks like a white diamond only. Yes or no? You can see a silver. It is a silvery color. What is that? Silvery color is moon. And twinkling is what here? Twinkling the stars in the sky. So children, numbers of stars you can see in the sky. You know, these all stars are twinkling. You can see here, these all stars are twinkling. You know, children? So stars are twinkling. It is a dark. In the dark we can see how it looks. It looks like a diamond. You know? It's the stars are twinkling. And we can see the silvery moon. What is the color of moon there? It's a silvery moon. You know, children? Just now I have shown the image. In that you can see the moon is silvery. And the stars are twinkling in the sky. Yes or no? So, in the sky we can see there is a numbers of stars. Not only one or two. It's a billions, million and billions of stars are there in the sky. We can count these all stars, children. Can you count the stars? Tell me. Yes. You cannot count those stars because it is not a one or two. It's a too much, too many. Billions and millions stars are there in the sky. So billions and millions stars together form a galaxy. It's together form a galaxy. Clear, children? So that topic you don't have. In the next class, you will learn about the galaxy. Later I will show the image. What is the galaxy? Milky Way galaxy we can say. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. So in the sky you can see there is a, like this shape you can see in the sky. See here? It's a rounded shape. And the children, so we can say the millions and billions of stars together form a galaxy. So our solar system is a part of a Milky Way galaxy, children. So this white part you can see in the sky. This all stars are together joined. So that is called a Milky Way star. Later I will show you this image. What is the Milky Way galaxy? Okay, children. So there are the numbers of stories are there about the moon and sun. Yes.
The night sky was decorated with the moon and stars. On the earth, some sat up and admired the moon. The moon felt proud. Look! All the people on the earth admiring me. The moon is swollen with pride. What use is it to the moon to be so proud if it cannot defeat the sun in the competition for the kingship of the sky? The moon was very upset to hear this. He kept thinking of how he will defeat the sun and become the king of the sky. Finally, the moon struck upon an idea. In the morning, he went to meet the sun. I have come to tell you that from now I will be working with you during the day.
And why is that?
I want to compete with you to be the king of the sky. The stars say that you are better than me. I want to prove to them that it is not true.
But how will we find that out?
Let us tell each other about ourselves and our qualities to decide who is better and more qualified to be the king. You begin. The sun agrees to the suggestion.
I am a huge, very hot ball that gives light and heat. I am made of hot gases. I am the center of the solar system. All the 8 planets revolve around me on a fixed path called orbit.
I don't believe you.
I can show you. Look at all the planets revolving around me. So, do you believe that I am the center of the solar system?
I may not be the center of the solar system, but I am the Earth's only satellite.
My friend Moon, I am a shining star. I am near to Earth. My heat and light make Earth a living planet. I give you light too.
But I am nearer to the Earth, even more than you. So I am the Earth's nearest neighbor. And there is another thing. People called astronauts who travel into space visit me. The first man to land on my surface was Neil Armstrong. He told everybody when he went back to Earth about my plains and mountains. Many astronauts have come on me since then. People want to even live on my surface.
But they cannot because, Moon, you do not have any air or water that people need to live.
Why? At least they have visited me. No one can visit you. You are so hot and made of gases, not rock like me. Hey, tell me. You said before that I do not have my own light. Then how do I shine? People admire my moonlight at night, you know.
You actually shine because you reflect my light. And that reflected light reaches the earth.
I don't believe you. Show me. Okay, I can see you give me light. Thanks. Oh, but still I am special, son. You cannot change your shape, but I can.
But you don't actually change shape too. You only seem to change shape, Moon, when my light falls on you. So sometimes you are a circle. At other times, you are arc-shaped like a banana.
Look at them fighting. They have completely forgotten us. Hey, Moon, Sun, aren't we great too? Look at us. We twinkle in the night sky. We are so many in number that you cannot even count us. We are also hot balls of gases and have our own light, Sun. In fact, Sun, you are also a star, aren't you? So you are one of us. And Moon, people admire us twinkling in the night sky as much as they admire you. What is more, we can do a special thing too. We form large clusters and pretty shapes called constellations. Show us.
Moon, I think we should not quarrel. Daytime is a period of my duty time. You and the stars do your duty during the night.
You are right. You are the king of the sky at day.
And you are the king of the sky at night.
So children, just now I have shown the one small story about the sun, moon and the star. How these three are fighting who is the best and who looks very beautiful. You know children? So what are the things we can see in the sky? Like sun, moon and the star. This all looks very beautiful. Sun looks very beautiful in the daytime. Stars and moon looks very beautiful in the night time. So we can see the shape of the moon. There is a different shape. Now the children, sometimes it is a full. Sometimes you can see it's a half only. Yeah, no? Sometimes you can see the more than half. So this is the shape of the moon. So how we see that the shape is changed? Have you seen that sun is changed the shape? No. Sun won't change the shape. Only the shape is changing. Who's here? Only moon. It is happened because of the sun reflection. The sun and moon both are round in shape. Both are round in shape. But always remember children, but the moon's shape is changed. Only the moon's shape is changed, not the sun shape. So, the moon changed the faces. The moon changed the shapes. Faces also and shape also because of the sun reflection. Clear children? So in that story also I have shown. So today you can see the moon is full. Next day you can see again the moon shape is changed. It's become like this shape. Yeah, the children. Again the next day you can see again the moon shape is changed. So finally we can see in the last we can see the shape of the moon is very thin. Yeah, the children. So how the days go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days like that. We can see the shape of the moon is changed only. Yeah, the children. So in the star there is a numbers of stars and planets are there. So how to see that all the planets? So there is with the naked eyes we can see only all the stars are twinkling. But if you use the telescope, you can see which star is giving very bright, Which is the planets? Which planets have the rings? What is the color? So these all the things we can see with the help of the telescope. So who founded the telescope, children here? Galileo. Okay, who found? Galileo. So here I will show the image of the telescope. You can see, children, here this is called the telescope. With this telescope we can see the stars and the planets. Which planet have the rings, how it looks, what is the color, everything we can see with the help of this telescope only. Okay, children, so this telescope is invented by Galileo. With the help of this telescope, we can see the numbers of stars in the sky, even though we can see the planets also. So there are the uncountable stars are there in the universe that we cannot count only. So children, so this is about the sky, the dazzling sky. You can see the sun, moon and the numbers of stars. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky. Children, you can see the rainbow also. How many colors have the rainbow? Tell me. Yes, 7 colors are there in the rainbow. When do we usually see a rainbow? Tell me. Yes, when there is a little bit rain or there is a little bit sunlight. So that time we can see the rainbow in the sky. Children. So here I will show the image of rainbow just to see, and then the same thing you have to draw in your notebook also. Draw and color a rainbow just to see the image. Here you can see the rainbow. See the rainbow have the 7 colors. So this is called the Milky Way galaxy, children. You can see. You can see in the middle it looks white color. So our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Okay, children, so in this lesson we have learnt about star, moon and the sun. The same thing I will continue in the next class, children. Thank you.